The Lux TX100e thermostat is programmable, but it can be used in a simple non-programmable mode. To do that, for example, switch the mode indicator from off to heat. This allows the thermostat to control the furnace. Next, select the temperature you want, for example 72, and now I'm going to press the hold button. You'll see the word hold. The thermostat will now maintain a temperature 72 degrees indefinitely. If you want to end the hold and have the program in the thermostat continue, simply press the hold button again, once to turn on the display, and then again you'll see the hold has disappeared. And now the thermostat is running its program. To learn more about how to use the hold function, see page 21 in the manual. To learn how to program the thermostat, see page 22.